Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from a Vanguard to InvestEngine. The first thing you need to do is open up your InvestEngine app, log into your account, and after that you just have to select your ISA account in which you wish to receive your money from Vanguard. So in this case, I'm going to select my DIY portfolio from here. From the screen, just click on this and then you'll be on this page. And all you want to do is come to the bottom right hand corner and click on options. Okay, and you get all of these different options. Okay, you just have to scroll down and you need to choose existing ISA provider. So just scroll down, click here on a transfer an ISA. Okay, then choose your existing ISA provider. In this case, it is going to be Vanguard. So choose Vanguard, then scroll down. You'll have to enter your ISA account or reference number. Okay, so go ahead and do that. You'll need to answer these questions as well. So whether you're not you want your details of ISA to be transferred, for example, current tax year, you can transfer that, yes or no. Transfer previous years, yes or no. Say that, then come here, click on submit. Okay, and after that, the process of transferring will actually begin from Vanguard to InvestEngine, and you'll see the status of your request right here. And once this process has been completed, it will be labeled as complete, and you'll receive your money in your selected ISA account in your InvestEngine. So I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.